Here's how to import ingredients in Chef's Food Cost Calculator. Open the menu and tap Import Ingredients. This feature saves time when you have a lot of items to add instead of entering each ingredient one by one. Start by tapping Download Ingredient Template. The app creates the official Excel template with the exact columns and drop-downs needed for import. Open that file in Excel. Fill in your ingredients, categories, quantities, units, total paid, and suppliers, then save it as an .xlsx file. It's important to use the drop-downs for category and unit and to fill in every field. Back in the app, tap Select Excel File and choose your completed template. The app reads the file and opens Preview before importing. Review the rows carefully. Check that the ingredient name, quantity, unit, and cost all look correct. In this example, I intentionally left a few fields missing so you can see how the app marks rows that need attention. The preview shows how many rows are ready, invalid, or duplicates. At that point, you can go back and fix the Excel file or continue importing and let the app skip the rows that are not ready. When you're ready to continue, tap Import. Because this example includes a few missing fields, the app completes the import with some skips. This means the valid rows were imported successfully, and the rows with missing information or duplicates were skipped. After closing the import result, open the menu and tap Ingredients. Now you can see the imported items in My Ingredients. The valid rows from the Excel file were saved here with their details, including the ingredient name, quantity, unit, total paid, supplier, and category. Finally, tap the back arrow to return a calculator. In Search Ingredient, type russet potatoes to verify from the results. Now it's ready to use anywhere you build food cost, recipes, batches, menus, events, inventory, and kitchen documents.